fantasized about owning a Lamborghini Aventador SV, but felt deterred by its steep cost of at least $500,000? Here's an uplifting tale for you. An inventive father and son team successfully built their own Aventador using a 3D printer. Beginning with a precisely detailed 1/10 scale model, they invested 5 years into this remarkable endeavor. Their efforts attracted attention from various publications, and to their astonishment, Lamborghini even gifted them some original parts, including the $5,000 headlights. The printed elements were made from plastic reinforced with carbon fiber, resulting in a final car weight of about 1.2 tons. This extraordinary example of engineering and commitment is set to wow onlookers at the Bandimere Speedway this August. Their story demonstrates that with creativity, persistence, and determination, even the loftiest dreams can be achieved. So, if you've ever dreamed of owning a supercar, keep in mind this phenomenal story of innovation and hard work. A lively discussion is unfolding among Italians, French, and Americans concerning the true origins of barbecue, while Sweden introduces an intriguing variation. The solar energy revolution is creating waves, with an impressive increase observed last year, hitting 2.6 gigawatts. Embracing this innovative spirit, barbecues have now harnessed solar power. Devotees have ingeniously designed a setup with 48 meticulously aligned glass mirrors. Although positioning these mirrors perfectly demands some effort, the results are exceptional, as the barbecue achieves temperatures soaring to 377 degrees Celsius. With hopes for sun-filled days for these dedicated artisans, we can only wish that this summer does not bring the excessive heat experienced last year. Take a look at this talented craftsman from Hong Kong who deserves recognition from Harley-Davidson and other leading motorcycle brands. He has brilliantly repurposed a discarded motorcycle into an extraordinary 2-in-1 custom masterpiece. First and foremost, the bike radiates an impressive cool factor with its integrated speakers, laser lights, and an eye-popping wild locust design. Additionally, it boasts practicality, allowing you not only to ride in style, but also to efficiently clean the streets with its innovative exhaust pipe system. This unique setup also gives a competitive edge in races, leaving your rivals quite literally eating dust. Welcome back, new recruits. Prepare yourselves to meet your new instructor, who will help you construct a device almost as remarkable as Schwarzenegger's in Commando. Don't fret if you lack soldering or programming skills. A simpler alternative is available. We've set up a user-friendly nuts and buttons configuration that anyone can manage. The parts list is easily accessible, and you can find all the necessary components on Amazon. For ammunition, let your imagination run wild. You can launch tomatoes, tennis balls, bottles, or any other items you can think of. Moreover, by incorporating a remote control, you can effortlessly achieve a pressure of 1.35 atmospheres. However, be sure to check local regulations first, as some states in the US have restrictions on such devices. In the 1970s, the United States witnessed the creation of the KR-1 single-seat airplane. It was incredibly straightforward. They not only provided do-it-yourself kits, but also sold the blueprints individually. This strategy proved to be highly successful, with over 10,000 kits sold over the span of 40 years. Even today, enthusiasts can experience it for themselves, as a KR-2 kit is available for purchase at around $8,000. The most talented builders even create their own custom versions. Consider this extraordinary KR-1, meticulously constructed from scratch over the course of 8 years, boasting a top speed of approximately 280 kilometers per hour. It's essentially a high-speed celestial hot rod. Would you dare to take it for a ride? Who resides in a pineapple under the sea? Steampunk Patrick, of course. Suddenly, everything becomes clear. This revelation explains why Patrick displays extraordinary strength in certain episodes. His eyes occasionally shift colors, and his head releases smoke during moments of intense mental effort while assembling this incredible creation. The creator utilizes components available on Taobao and UV resin, allowing the application of thin layers that solidify quickly. The end result is truly astonishing. In fact, it would be wonderful if the creator could organize an entire exhibition showcasing the inhabitants of Bikini Bottom, all set to the iconic Terminator soundtrack. Take a look at this incredible video that compresses 4 years of dedicated work into just a few minutes. You are witnessing a homemade buggy that incorporates parts from a Suzuki GSX 600 motorcycle and a Suzuki Samurai off-roader. The Craftsman employed SolidWorks, a specialized software used for creating 3D models, along with a powerful 600 kg engine that produces 86 horsepower. This buggy is capable of reaching speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour. Surprisingly, what appears to be a simple design actually went through 15 different concepts, 8 variations, and countless hours of meticulous labor. The final product was so remarkable that the Craftsman even considered the idea of mass production, leaving us intrigued about the potential price tag. Did you realize that more than 1 million limb removal surgeries are performed globally every year? Unfortunately, navigating the prosthetic market can be a daunting task. Consider this innovator, for instance, who experimented with the iDigits model but found it cumbersome and slow. Driven by the need for a better solution, he took matters into his own hands and crafted a custom prosthetic. It's a straightforward, functional, and cost-effective alternative, with all components readily available on platforms like Amazon. Constructed from durable metal and featuring purely mechanical mechanisms, it operates without the need for batteries or complex electronics. Each finger comprises fewer than 10 individual parts. The entire process, from initial design to final assembly, consumed approximately 600 hours of meticulous effort. When factoring in the labor costs, this homemade prosthetic totals around $48,000, significantly undercutting the price of the iDigit model. It's too early to put down the bow, so let's delve into this forum-mounted mini crossbow. Initially, the inventor was merely experimenting for personal enjoyment and hadn't planned to share the outcome online. However, the results turned out to be remarkably impressive. This mini crossbow is equipped with a magazine capable of holding up to 5 projectiles, enabling rapid firing. It's designed for indoor practice, with its power output deliberately limited for safety. You can fire pen rods or opt for safer, printed ammunition that poses no risk of harm. Intriguingly, a potential business concept surfaced in the comments. Integrating the crossbow with Nerf-style projectiles could instantly attract a broad customer base. Currently, the STL files for 3D printing can be found on Thingiverse. Have you ever noticed those distinctive peels that open and close on camera lenses? They're known as iris diaphragms, crucial for regulating the light entering the camera. Why not adapt this concept for a home improvement project? Well, an adept individual embraced this challenge and crafted a remarkable 1.2-meter iris window for their front entrance. But their creativity didn't stop there. Although they seldom shared updates, their innovative windows could be a dream for Hollywood filmmakers seeking to recreate scenes reminiscent of Home Alone or Stargate. can now acquire these innovative compact desks from the UK for just $192. Simply provide the specifications of your vehicle and you're set. These desks boast a tabletop measuring 60 by 45 centimeters, complete with adjustable tilt and height settings. They're ideal for enjoying a quick snack during lengthy road trips or adding convenience to outdoor gatherings. Installation is a breeze, requiring only a screwdriver and a 13mm wrench. The entire setup process can be completed in just 10 seconds. These desks have already gained popularity in 15 countries worldwide, including Japan, and their versatility makes them a favorite among travelers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. LED screens are becoming increasingly ubiquitous, appearing in backpacks, helmets, and even entire buildings. However, these innovators have taken innovation a step further by integrating an Adafruit circuit board weighing just 4 grams into their cap. This setup enables them to program a variety of glowing patterns, ranging from hearts and squares to dynamic equalizer displays. Powered by a compact 500 mAh battery, the system manages communication and charging via a standard USB cable. What's particularly impressive is that you can assemble this cap yourself without breaking the bank. The Adafruit LoRa board is available for a modest price of only $15. Some individuals are truly fortunate in their neighbors. Consider this innovator who crafted a customized cart infused with elements of hot rod culture for a neighboring 5-year-old using a garden wheelbarrow, a scooter engine, frames sourced from old bicycles, and even sections of garden furniture. The result, as described by the creator, is a remarkable amalgamation akin to Frankenstein's creation. Powering the vehicle are two 18-volt Makita batteries, propelling it to speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour. Such is its appeal that even adults eagerly take turns driving it. For those intrigued, detailed step-by-step instructions accompanied by photos and videos can be found on Instructables.com. If you're fortunate enough to live near a river, have you considered constructing your own portable mini power stations? The innovator reveals that the initial iteration produced approximately 1.66 watts of energy, and in the subsequent version, they ingeniously integrated an old drill to achieve a gear ratio of 1:5. While neither version may win any beauty contests, they are effective in their function, and there's ample room for future improvements. The inventor is particularly enthusiastic about designing a larger, barge-sized model for deployment on larger rivers. Wavejit is a motorized board that enables riding even in the absence of wind or waves. Its popularity stems from its impressive top speed, exceeding 60 kilometers per hour, and Wavejit surfing has gained recognition as an official sport, complete with a world championship and local competitions. However, the boards come with a substantial price tag, typically costing around $22,000. This has spurred the creation of DIE Wavejits, offering both cost savings and the admiration of spectators. According to the inventor of one such board, it required approximately 200 hours of labor, with the engine alone costing $766 and additional components like carbon fiber adding another $220 to the expenses. Remarkably, this homemade board achieved speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour on calm waters, surpassing many commercially available models in performance.